There are now reports VA workers in several states covered up delays in treatment that may have led to the death of dozens of veterans.
Ranging from zeroing out patient wait times to scheduling patients in clinics that don't even exist.
Similar allegations surrounding delayed care have also surfaced elsewhere in the country.
Altogether, similar reports of lengthy waiting lists and other issues have surfaced recently in at least 10 states.
This would suggest that this may be even wider and broader than we know about.
It's a symptom of a much broader problem that has been ignored for a long time.
There has been definitely a letdown by the senior management team to the secretary and the people under him.
Now you have a bureaucracy that is running amok and creating a fraudulent impression. How can the president be satisfied with that?
There's a real problem with accountability at all levels within the Veterans Administration.
If the president is truly serious, he needs to treat these stories at least as seriously as he did the Obamacare website fiasco.
The portal through which people would sign up for the exchanges failed. Well, it was all hands on deck. All hands on deck.
The whole Obamacare structure is imploding.
Polls from Pew and USA Today show Obamacare as unpopular as ever.
Hardworking middle-class families who didn't want this health care law in the first place are facing higher premiums.
The vast majority of individuals who are now covered under the Act previously had health insurance that was canceled due to the mandates in the law.
The promises of Obamacare are not being kept.
Lots of workplace consequences. People that have fewer than 50 employees don't want to be covered, so they don't add employees.
Small business owners in my state have been particularly vocal about having to choose between making payroll or paying the increasing costs.
This is an effect that Obamacare is having on ordinary American people.
We've got 20 million people out of work. It's a disaster out there.
This is the worst economic recovery since World War II.
Fundamentally, the American worker is hurting.
We need a growth agenda.
Drive the economy.
Republicans are already lined up to offer amendments to the bill, including scrapping the Obamacare medical device tax.
79 people voted to get rid of that stupid tax.
The Keystone Pipeline getting kicked down the road yet again.
Authorize the Keystone XL pipeline.
This pipeline is shovel-ready.
If we can get a chance to get these amendments in front of the United States Senate and allow the voices of the American people to be heard and to get votes, we can start moving this country in a different direction.